Good luck with this one, dude.
I am so scared.
I'm ready to crush this challenge. This is impossible.
My legs are burning. I feel like it can be landed. All right, guys, so in all my years of teaching skateboarding, I have learned that the kickflip is the most requested, wanted to learn trick from all beginners. So I just wanted to tell you that this kickflip challenge today is brought to you by BrailleSkateboarding.com. I don't know if you've ever been to BrailleSkateboarding.com, but it's a great site. It has a whole map of the world that tracks every single member of the Braille Army. You can go, you can log in, and you can track your very own, yes, your progression. There's tons of tutorials on there. There's tutorials that you can get for free, and then there's paid full lesson plans that can take you all the way from the very beginning skateboard tricks to a mastery of skateboarding, which really starts with mastering those basic tricks. In addition to all of the learning how to skateboard stuff that we have at BrailleSkateboarding.com, we also have a full skate shop that carries literally everything you would ever need to ride a skateboard. So go there, check it out. Link is down there in the description below, BrailleSkateboarding.com. You guys are the absolute best. Let's go, kickflip challenge, and I want you to learn how to kickflip too.
Hey, Aaron, you ready for a kickflip challenge?
No way!
This is my board, man.
But Gabe, I painted this. I actually did the painting on this.
It's impressive, dude.
Good, right?
The line right here is a little wobbly, but it's okay.
A little wobbly? Wobbly your line.
All right, well, would you like to take us through these boards?
Yeah.
So this is an episode with a twist, though, because this is the fan-requested episode.
The fans requested this?
No, that was just like a wild card, you know?
Gabe, as the fan, requested this.
Yeah, I am still your #1 fan. I think you forget sometimes.
That's true.
That looked really good.
It's nice.
I need those other shoes, dude.
Honestly, we should probably just film a whole video with this at the park.
The kickflip off is a very specific off. A timed challenge.
Yes.
Where you go through many boards. For today's video, it is fan request. This one, which no fan has ever seen, so I'm not sure if they requested that or not,
You're
is
gonna be happy we chose
board number 12. This one is board number 2.
So the ripstick,
which is not even a board.
One that they requested heavily.
Of course they requested that, because it's impossible to kickflip, and no one can kickflip it. Board number 3. This one, that's my G right there. I kickflip that all day. Whoa, this just came flying in. We should have.
Wow, that's the sickest board I've ever seen.
You're all good. This one, which is also incredibly hard to
Lance's
kickflip.
Hairy Bigfoot is a popular one. Surprisingly, Penny board was one of the most highly requested ones for some reason.
Well, makes sense.
And look how pretty it is.
Because it's gold, dude.
It shines like you in golden hour.
Shines like my teeth.
True.
Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
All right, so we're gonna have you, Nigel, Aussie Dan, Uzi, and me participating, and Fetty can get a guest kickflip if he wants to. Right,
Hi.
well,
How are you?
I'm fantastic. I'm ready to crush this challenge.
Yeah, you're gonna crush it?
Yeah. Should we all Rochambeau to see who goes first?
I'll have you know I never lost a game of rock.
You better get up in
Should we
here.
let him heel flip? What do you get? God, Aussie done.
Wait, that worked. No,
No, it didn't. Dan?
That worked out. We were all paper, and they were rocks.
So he lost the game of. He lost the game. Okay, go ahead for last.
If you lost, you go first, I thought.
Second.
Dang it. Nigel's first?
Oh no.
I don't know if that's a good thing. So whatever order you'd like, my friend. The ripstick is definitely the hardest one. So what's your prediction for the hardest one then?
Well, this one.
That one's so easy.
That's hard.
What, the longboard?
Yeah.
That's so easy.
Remember the last
and the
time I had to skate a long one? The Marge Simpson?
Yeah, that didn't have grip though. What do you think is the hardest one?
Probably the small skateboard.
Really? Not the ripstick? I'm asking which one everyone thinks is the hardest.
Hardest?
Yeah.
100% guaranteed.
The ripstick. Yes, I agree.
This is the hardest. This one?
No,
Okay,
it's
who's
not.
first, Nigel?
Nigel's first, yeah. All right, time
Well, I
starts on
don't
the
know.
first pop. What? No way!
Get out of here! Disqualified.
Uh-oh, that's a weird one.
Yeah, it is. I don't know why I came to this one.
What? No way!
Disqualified.
Remember what I taught you, Nigel? Oh, no!
What did you teach him?
Nothing.
Dang it.
More power!
More power! Ah! More power!
Oh, no, doesn't count.
More power!
Wow.
Dang it.
No, come on, you gotta stick it. Dang, look at that tweak.
Dude.
Oh, no.
Stop taking my power!
Wow.
God
I tried to
dang
help.
it.
Whoa, that was sick. Oh yeah, good luck with this one, dude.
Is that impossible?
No, I did it.
You did not do
I
it.
did it last week, yeah. Whoa, there's a secret, Nigel. You need so little toe.
What do you mean?
Oh, see?
What he means.
Oh!
I would have
I'll
counted.
count that.
Okay.
I'll count that.
What? You have impossible.
Wow, that was
Gabe,
actually
the
surprising.
ripstick champ.
This is impossible. You guys are always giving me a hard time about the ripstick. A kickflip is a skateboard trick. This is the last one.
Yeah.
You can do it stationary.
What do you mean you can do it stationary? I don't see this one happening.
Gabe, give him the luck of the
Whatever, 5 minutes.
What? No!
I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it.
You have a minute and a half left.
Never say never!
Yeah, you gotta like pop it on the ground like that.
What do you mean pop it on the ground?
Oh, actually, yeah, this is what we did with the other one. I
Yep.
forgot.
Oh, bodied!
Bodied. I feel like that's 10 minutes if you body out.
You still got a minute.
Hey, why are you practicing? Get out of here.
Why are you looking at me? I'm gonna practice.
Wait, you're second, right?
Oh, he's done?
I think he's done. I think he gave up. So yeah, I guess Nigel takes an automatic 5 minutes. All right, Aaron, be very smart about this.
You're making me nervous.
You should be.
I feel like I have a slight tinge of diarrhea coming on.
Oh.
And I'm not sure if I should handle that first. The big question is, which one you done think is easiest?
Would you like to know my order? I don't know if you care or not. I'm going that one first, Bigfoot second, Penny third, mini board fourth, ripstick last.
Okay, let's go.
Remember the secret, Aaron.
What's the secret? You didn't tell me. You said there's a secret, then didn't say it. I am so scared.
See? Oh, 2 for 2. You gotta give it a really good pop first.
Oh, wow. This is what's bothering me.
He's taking time to clean his shoes. Oh, that was good. Oh!
My legs are burning.
Oh, yeah! All right, you're good, get him. Wow.
Woo!
You could win this one, Aaron.
Could be my first win.
Wow, that counts. One last one.
Oh no, I actually think this one's impossible.
Oh, there you go. You gotta get more flick. You gotta
Why do
flick
my
down.
legs hurt like they just got ran over by a train? More down?
You gotta flick down. Exact opposite of SMS.
You must first unlearn what you have learned.
There you go. A little more.
Freaking impossible.
Oh, that breeze is fantastic.
How would
That
I-
was the breeze that's gonna let you land it.
I would have had it if it wasn't for that breeze.
Oh, that would have been it. No.
That was counted!
What? No.
10 seconds.
Yeah, one more try. Oh, that would have been it. So far, 0 for 2. Dude.
Is anybody gonna land it? Is the question.
Yeah, me right here. All right, I gotta get in there now.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready. You gonna time him?
I'm gonna get up here and I'm gonna talk smack like they were all talking to me. Just kidding. No hard feelings. It's okay.
Go ahead.
I know that they were just
It
practicing.
only makes me stronger.
I know how to get him the worst. You know what gets Gabe Cruz the worst?
No, he thinks he knows.
Gabe,
He knows.
this is your time to shine. I've always thought, you know, Gabe will never win a kickflip challenge, but this one, you can do
Hey,
it.
is this challenge for $100?
I fully believe that you can land this for $100, yes sir.
All 5 in 5 minutes for 100? All right, let's get it.
Well, you have to win. Uzi might beat you.
There's no time. Oh, who's timing?
Hey, Suri, set a timer for 5 minutes. Oh. Dang, those cream shoes though. Okay, sorry.
Oh, how do you even ride this?
Exactly. Just a normal skateboard game with the hair sticking between your teeth. Dirty.
Whoa! That counts, right?
Fetty, you judge.
Betty, you're not paying attention!
Watch you do a trick.
Woo!
That counts.
Hold that.
Wow.
Woo! my legs are tired already.
See? I was like, either I'm getting old or I'm getting young. Wow.
My leg's burning.
This is your time to shine.
Out of my way.
I love when he gets mad at random things. Let me help you.
Dang, I thought that was it.
Wow. Woo! First try! Dang, girl. He's been acting like he hasn't been practicing this all week.
My shoes are brand new, they're grippy.
Pretend like it's an ollie and then kickflip. You can send in a skate support to @AaronCairo on Instagram if you don't land it this try.
That counts, come on.
Ready? Although I don't think he was watching. Minute 30 seconds, you still got the ripstick.
Betty, we're paying attention!
Betty, pay attention!
God, I'm so mad now.
Now you feel my pain, right? Dang! Come on, Rip God. See?
I want to choke Uzi for some reason.
Uzi? What did I do? 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Just gonna get that. Redeem myself. All right, right here, Aaron. I'm gonna do it right in front of Dan's face to intimidate him. Oh, double!
What if nobody wins? I don't know. We'll see what happens. I feel like Uzi is gonna get it in time.
Well, the man that's probably gonna win it all.
This is a $100 win,
You're
dude.
probably not gonna kickflip any of them.
I guess if he doesn't land it in 5 minutes, I'll just take the 100 for the double flip.
I think what we would do is everybody would take turns until somebody lands the kickflip on the ripstick.
Oh my God.
Because that's the one that stumped everybody.
We're gonna be here all week.
We could be here all week. I can do it third try.
Dan, timer ready.
What is he doing?
Why is he going so fast?
You gotta go fast.
Thanks for not telling any.
It's not happening.
Like the unicorn, he never was.
Yep.
He looks like an uncoordinated giraffe. Oh, wow. Tony the Tiger coming through.
Come on, Dan.
Fan chosen.
The Iron Man landing. That's how you soak up the impact.
Oh, I figured it out. Figured it out. Here we go. How much time I got? Shaka, shaka, kaboom.
You're letting us down, Dan. You're overthinking it.
Gotta mix up the ingredients. A little bit of pop, a little bit of flick. What? Why can't I kickflip it? Ah!
Dan, no, Dan, no.
He started with the rip. Wow. Look at those legs.
Got a minute left.
Good.
This thing is so bright. I can't even see.
Oh. Good. That's
Damn it.
This is it.
Got 15 seconds.
I only need 10.
Oh!
Yes!
This one right here.
That's it.
That's
Last
it.
try.
Why?
Somebody has to win. We have to do a tiebreaker. I feel like it can be landed.
All right.
You want to go, Fetty?
Fetty, I think he wants to go.
I don't care.
I know, you just have a broken jaw. I mean, what are you going to do, okay?
All right, Fetty, whenever you're ready.
Remember, Fetty, don't skateboard.
Okay, this is a ripstick.
Yeah. Keep your mouth closed, brother.
I will.
Oh,
Nope.
I would have counted it. Yes. Come on.
I got the closest.
Fetty,
Oh, we're screwed.
he's not invited.
I'm tired. Too much monster. Gabe, how did you double flip this?
Hop first, flip later.
Yeah, SMS1, boy.
This a penny board? Does it count as skateboarding? My teeth are still closed.
That penny is hard.
You got it. Wow. One to go.
That's the hardest one.
No, this one's easy.
Hop first, flip later.
Are you sure?
What if I just do a triple?
It's a kick shot.
No, I can't put this on the gram.
Oh no!
He fell!
Medic!
Medic!
I'm at a fall risk.
But why are you a fall risk?
No!
Because if I fall, I'll break my jaw. Again.
What is he doing? Should we stop him? We gotta stop him.
How many times I gotta land this? You guys landed it just the
Once?
same.
Oh, there
Gosh, the one I don't film.
Aaron, he crushed us.
He had 2 minutes left? Wow.
He just put us to shame.
That might have been the best episode we've ever filmed.
Broken
Fetty.
jaw Fetty just came and put us to shame.
Maybe it's better. Maybe we're just talking too much smack to each other. We just need to shut our mouths and skate. Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, and even you over there, don't think I didn't see you. Learn to skateboard. It's your time. BrailleSkateboarding.com. Let's go.